basic structure of C++ program. The format of writing program in C++ is called its structure. The basic structure of C++ program is very flexible. It increases the power of language. It consists of the following parts. 1. Preprocessor directive. 2. Main function. 3. Program body. Preprocessor directive. The preprocessors are the directives, which give instructions to the compiler to preprocess the information before actual compilation starts. All preprocessor directives begin with hash, and only white-space characters may appear before a preprocessor directive on a line. Preprocessor directives are not C++ statements, so they do not end in a semicolon. You already have seen a hash include directive in the previous example. This macro is used to include a header file into the source file. There are a number of preprocessor directives supported by C++ like hash include, hash define, hash if, hash else, hash line, etc. Header files. Header files contain definitions of functions and variables, which is imported or used into any C++ program by using the preprocessor hash include statement. Header file have an extension H which contains C++ function declaration and macro definition. Types of header files in C++. There are two types of header files are as follows. System header files, it comes with compiler. User header files, it is written by programmer. Main function. The main function is the starting point of C++ program. When the program is run, the control enters main function and starts executing its statements. Each program must contain main function. If a program does not contain main function, it can be compiled but cannot be executed. Any number of statements can be written in the body of main function. C++ statements. The statements of the program are written in curly brace, is called opening brave and, is called closing braces. The braces are also known as delimiters. These statements are collectively known as the body of a program. Each statement in C++ language is terminated by semicolon. A statement in C++ language is an instruction for the computer to perform a task. Computer performs these instructions one by one in the same sequence in which the instruction are written.